Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is LaShanae and it is 2024 and I'm so excited to be coming to you guys with my first eyeshadow tutorial of 2024. Now today eyeshadow tutorial is going to be a perfect, simple, everyday eyeshadow tutorial, and I'm going to be using the Danessa Myricks Groundwork palette, and this palette is a perfect palette to use for an everyday simple eyeshadow tutorial. I have your oranges, your browns, your blacks, your nude colors. Like, this is a perfect eyeshadow palette, and you can also use this palette for your eyebrows, contour, for your lips. You can use for anything. Anything. If you guys are interested to see how I came up with this look, then keep watching. So today I'm going to be using the Danessa Myricks Groundwork palette. Now, when this palette dropped, I knew I had to have this palette in my life because it is a makeup girl everyday go-to eyeshadow palette. Like, this palette is so cute, it's so natural, and it's perfect for everyday makeup wear. This is how the palette looks, and I really do like the that she have eyeshadows right here, and then this right here where you can see my fingerprints. These are pomades, so if you press down on it, you see the new fingerprint. It's a pomade, but I really do like that because you can use this eyeshadow palette to contour. You can use the eyeshadow palette to conceal. You could use this for like your primers to prime your eyes. You could use it for lipstick. You use this palette for anything. It's a multitasking palette. So this is a makeup artist dream palette right here. Like, this palette is so versatile and I love it. So let's get right into it. So to prime my eyes, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible concealer to prime my eyes. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to prime my eyelids. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to spread this all over my lid. And to smooth out my eyelids so it won't be too sticky when you're going with your eyeshadows, you want to go ahead and add any powder of your choice. Today I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty powder, and I'm just going to press this on my lids to go ahead and set it. So when I go in with my eyeshadows, I have a smooth canvas to where it's not too sticky for the eyeshadow products. What I'm gonna do, I'm just going to press that over the lids to go ahead and set it. So you just want to do it just like that with any brush or any powder puff that you have. You just want to take, like I said, any powder of your choice and just go ahead and set that lid. It should look something like that. Simple, easy. I'm going to dip into this orange shade right here. This is Core. So it's going to dip into Core. And this is going to be my transition shade. So I'm just going to go in and do windshield wipe motions. So when I do my eyeshadows, I like to focus on the outer part first, how I'm doing right here, and then I go in and drag in the eyeshadow across my lid. It's been so long since I sat down and do an actual detailed makeup tutorial, but I am trying to get back into uploading on YouTube and growing my YouTube. And 2024 is the year because I'm not holding back no more. I'm about to be uploading on all platforms, TikTok and YouTube, but mostly I want to focus on my YouTube channel because that's where it all started. You know, it started with YouTube, and then came Instagram, then came TikTok, but I want to get into growing my YouTube channel, and I'm going to do that this year. 2024 is my year. And for the next shade, I'm going to dip into this color right here. This shade right here is called Harvest, and I'm just going to place it right into my crease. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to focus it right into my crease right here. And this is all where I want to focus it at. I got it all on my lid. I'm going to take whatever, I hit myself in the nose with my brush. I'm going to take whatever's left over on my brush and I'm just going to evenly start blending out the eyeshadow, going a little upwards into core, that orange shade that we used first. And then this time I'm just using circular motions. And the kind of brush that I'm using is like a pointy tip brush. I love these kind of brushes to blend out my crease eyeshadows because it just helps to distribute the eyeshadows versus if I was to use a brush like this. So yeah, brushes like this with a pointy tip be perfect to blend out your crease eyeshadow because look how that look right there. Just perfect. I'm going to dip back into core and then I'm just going to blend that out right there. So I'm just going to blend core and harvest into each other. So for the next shade, I'm going to go in with Myricks right here. And I'm going to dip into this pomade right here. And I'm going to place it all over my lid. I'm just going to go in and just press it all over. I'm going to take a flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going to dip into the powder part of the eyeshadow that I just used. Well, the pomade that I just used. Now, when I tell you this eyeshadow palette is bomb, like when I tell y'all this is the perfect eyeshadow palette for everyday wear, like this is the perfect eyeshadow palette for everyday wear. Like this palette runs for $60, but it's worth it. The $60 is worth it because I just got this bomb ass everyday simple eyeshadow look just using this look, this palette right here. Like, I love this palette. As you can see, I've been using it because you can see my handprints on my fingerprints and the pomades because this palette is bomb for everyday wear. Every day. I don't wear makeup like that like every day, but when I do and I want to be like natural, simple, I'm in my neutral, air, this is what I go to because this palette right here is bomb. This eyeshadow look, you don't have to just use the Danessa Myricks palette. You can use any neutral palette that you have. Another perfect one that's affordable that you can use, I'm gonna show you guys, is Juvia's Place Coffee Shop palette. Now this palette will be perfect. This palette is only like $24. This palette will also be another perfect eyeshadow palette to use for this look. So you don't have to just use, you don't have to just use the Danessa Myricks palette. This palette will be perfect to achieve this look, and whatever other neutral eyeshadow palettes that you have will be perfect to create this look. And for mascara, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty One Coat Wow mascara. I love this mascara. Just going to just use one coat because I am going to be applying some lashes. Here is the final look. So this is how the eyeshadow turned out. It's super cute, super easy, simple, perfect for everyday wear, and perfect for beginners that's just learning how to get into their eyeshadows. But this is the palette that I use right here. This is the Danessa Myricks Groundwork palette. And when I say this palette is perfect for everyday wear, it's perfect for everyday wear. Let me just show you guys how it looks. I hope you guys enjoy this easy, simple eyeshadow tutorial. I'm happy to have my first video up for 2024, and I'm going to be having more videos to come for you guys. If you guys really did enjoy this video, go ahead and hit that like button, comment below, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.